What started out as an investigation into the assassination of the Maltese journalist Daphne Caruana Galizia has turned into a 20-page damaging report on the rule of law in Malta. The Chief Rapporteur of the Council of Europe, Peter Omtzigt, was particularly harsh in his judgment on the smallest European Union member state.
The Prime Minister is all-powerful. He nominates judges, magistrates, almost every supervisory body. Parliament is very weak because all MPs of the government party, the MPs get a fairly low salary, or they're either ministers or they get very big government contracts. So there's no system of checks and balances. So it's up to Malta to repair that. Now the government has promised that before, it's promised that for 6 years, and it hasn't done so. So to have a real remedy, you need a different constitution in Malta.
One of Daphne Caruana Galicia's sons was also present at the meeting of the Council of Europe in Paris. He hopes the Maltese government will resign.
There's no inquiry looking into the broader causes of my mother's assassination. And this is so important because it's the only way we can prevent future assassinations of journalists. It's the only way the country can learn lessons. And it's the only way that my family can get satisfaction that my mother wasn't assassinated for nothing. That at least something good will come out of this.
One of the lawyers of Daphne Caruana Galicia's family, who is also a member of the House of Representatives, hopes that his country will profoundly change after the publication of this report by the Council of Europe.
In my country, we had a journalist assassinated in a car bomb because she revealed high-level institutionalized corruption and crime at the highest echelons of power. Our message is that we will not let the people who ordered her murder, who killed her, to get away with it. And we will not let those in power to use their money, to use their corrupt money, to breach or crush our democratic rights. We will prevail.
The Council of Europe wants Malta to implement all the recommendations of the report. The next step is a vote in the plenary session in Strasbourg in the end of June. This is Stefan de Vries for Euronews in Paris.